One of my favorite things about this home is this gorgeous kitchen. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a split floor plan. So you've got the master on this side. And over on this side, without making you dizzy, you have the guest bedroom. We'll take a look at that right now. This is the front guest bedroom, and it's such a nice size. It's 9 feet 10 inches wide by 12 feet 4 inches. Then the closets, of course, you've got a nice closet that goes all the way across, the full 9 feet 10 inches. Nice closet. A nice guest bathroom right next to this front bedroom. And it is a tub shower combo, full bathroom. Heading back into the living room, take another look at that kitchen, and then we'll head down to the master bedroom. Beautiful buffet cabinet in the kitchen, and you've got a perfect spot for a desk right there to pay bills or anything fun like that. It is a natural gas stove, and there is a dishwasher. More nice cabinets here in the dining area. And then onto the master bedroom, and the laundry room is also to our right as well. The master bedroom is also very nice size. It's 12.6 at its widest point by 14.8. So 12.6 across by 14.8. Now there is a little pop out here other than that, and that's where there's a refrigerator space in the laundry rooms for extra storage or a deep freeze or something like that. Master bathroom. It's a 3/4 shower, so it is a step-in shower, which is very nice for your master bath. Single sink, but plenty of counter space. And an extra storage linen style cabinet here as well. Plus vanity space if you wanted it. This is from the bathroom. You can see how large this room is. Just another quick angle of it. Yet another angle of the master bedroom from this side. You can see there's plenty of room for nightstands on either side of the bed, which is really a nice feature. Another quick look at this dining room and kitchen area. And you can see where the laundry room is here. You've got 2 upper cabinets above it. And then on this side, the water heater is in this space behind the towel, accessible from the outside. But this space is the place that I really liked. I like the ability to have a storage cabinet like what is here now, or a deep freeze. Many people like having a deep freeze. I think that's a nice feature. Last look at the kitchen. Thanks for viewing. Give us a call at 928-580-9237. We would be happy to show you this home in person.